new oil. But unlike oil, its value isn't in storing it, it's how you use it. So, in today's video, we'll explore how HR data can unlock powerful insight, reveal HR trends, and show you how analytics can transform people vision into real business value.
From big workers to green HR, from AI to emotional intelligence, the future of HR is not coming. It's already. So I'll explain what are the current HR trends. In economic, sustainable HR, hybrid work culture, workforce diversity, green HR, HR analytics, enterprise resource planning, talent management, strategic HR, artificial intelligence HR, emotional intelligence.
HRM, in simple HRM, is the process of collecting analysis and interpreting HR-related data. Also called people analysis, workforce analysis. This is a HR analysis process. The first one is a data collection, second one is a data cleaning, third one is a data organization, fourth one is a data analysis, fifth one is a data visualization, sixth one is a advanced analysis, seventh one is a decision making.
Now we are going to explain the current business problems which relate to HR. First one is attendance marking problems.
If we talk about attendance marking problem, if there is an issue of attendance marking method, there is a low accuracy with the data of the employment system. So because of that, the business can be faced to the many issues.
Second one is performance management, evaluation and analysis problems.
If we talk about performance analysis, in some companies we can't see any proper performance analysis. With that, that companies can be faced many issues in future. So as example, with the improper performance analysis, the employee motivation can be decreased and the employee turnover can be increased.
Third one is pay management problems.
Pay management is also an important part of HR. In some companies we can see there is no proper pay management. As example, they don't base with the skill-based system. With that, the trust of the employee can be decreased and also the turnover also can be increased of the company.
Fourth one is HR planning problems.
So if we talk about HR planning, this is also a main function of HR. So with that, with the improper HR planning, the company can be faced many issues. As example, there will be an imbalance of the employee and also the company cost can be increased. And finally, the company growth also can be harmed.
Fifth one is talent acquisition and retention problems.
This is also a main issue that we identify in some companies. So with that also, the employee motivation and the turnover can be increased.
Sixth one is data management problems.
Data management is also a very important part of HR. In some companies, we identify there is no proper data management system. With that, they face many issues. As example, their data accuracy will be low, and also the data security will be low, and their analytical capabilities can also be low.
Last one is employee movement problems.
This is also connected with the previous point. So, if we talk about the employee movement, without proper data management system, the company is difficult to identify or analyze about the employees separately. So this is the one of the main issues that we identify, and those are the main problems that we identify from our project.
Now I will explain why HR analytics is needed from middle scale business.
First start with performance and productivity of the manager.
Second one is helps to understand the workforce better.
Third one is about strategic data driven decision making.
Fourth one is reduce employees turnover.
Fifth one is optimize recruitment and retention.
Sixth one is more effective talent acquisition.
Last one is optimize training and development.
Are you struggling to manage HR data in your company? Let's look at how we can handle it using a real world Microsoft Excel project under the trend of HR analytics. I will guide you step by step through that process. There are 7 phases of HR analytics process you can apply. So first one, data collection. You can collect all HR related data into a spreadsheet like this example. Second phase is data cleaning. After you collecting data, you must have to clean the data by removing duplicates, adding correct data formats, and applying standardization. This step is data organization. Arrange the clean data into structured tables for easy access, like Excel data tables. And so fourth, fifth, and sixth pages I'm not going to explain now. I will show that by our project. This is the example for data organization, which HR data within a table. Okay. And now I will show dashboard we have prepared for or prepared using this database. This database includes uh, several columns like name, gender, martial state, date of birth, age group, region, work location, education status, department, job title, immediate superior experience, employment status, bank details also available in this database. Okay, by according to this database, we have prepared a dashboard. This dashboards we use for HR analytics functions basically. This dashboard mainly prepared using fundamental points like gender by region, martial status by gender, departments, experience, age range, bank details, job title, and work location. If we select a Colombo in region slicer, okay, now that process change. If we select Colombo, change the dashboard according to that. Okay. If we select goal, that change according to that. Okay. Gampa like that. Okay. And martial status we select as merit, that change according to that. And work location, if we select work location as branch, that change according to that. Okay. And if we select gender as female, that change according to that. Okay. And finally, if we select 31 age from 31 to 35 group, the dashboard change according to that. Okay. If we select from age of 36 to 40, that change. Now I will show you the second database of we have prepared. This we have prepared using previous database, and both database are integrated together. Okay. And OT. And OT we have calculate using attendance sheet. I will explain in attendance sheet. Okay. And that's mean we have integrated salary sheet and salary table and attendance sheet. Finally, this is the main function of this database. This is the summary of salary sheet table, salary data table. Okay. This also includes slices and charts. If we select manufacturing department, working factory workers, managers, and supervisors. This represent that data. In HRM, only work managers. Okay, and within marketing department, work clerk, executives, and managers. Okay, this represents OT. This represents average net and basic salary. We have prepared attendance sheet for this company. This also integrated with first database. If an employee has come a certain day, we can mark the attendance by click right click. Okay. If we click right click, automatically calculate the present. Okay. If we mark the attendance, total present has increased. Remove, automatically decrease total attendance. The most important data table in our project. This represent time attendance of employees. This also integrated with first database. In here, standard work time of an employee is 8 hours, and all employees have right to take 1 hour to lunch and tea. If we add Kamal Lianage has come in day 1, 8 a.m. and he has out from 5 p.m. That's mean he has worked 8 hours within a factory, and additional hours he has not fulfilled. Okay, but he has worked by 7 p.m. in that day. He has additionally worked 2 hours. Okay, right. I will show you how to integrate it with OT of salary management table. Okay, right. In salary management table, employee ID 119400. His OT is 7,750. Okay. This is the employee Amal Pereira. Okay. If we change the he has his in time say 7:30 from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. He has additionally worked 5 hours and 30 minutes, and according to that, his OT has changed according to that. Before remain 7,750 rupees, and finally we change 9,250 rupees. Okay, this is the this is an example for. I will show you performance tables of employees, which includes just factory workers. This is the ID of that those employees and names and superior supervisors of that of those employees. Okay, this includes previous 6 months those employee work, actual and target of employees. This column represent actuals. This represents actuals of employees. Okay, actuals. This represent target of employees within a month, within month of January. Okay. Uh, okay. This is the total actual and total target. This has calculated using some formula. Okay. Some sum of previous 6 months of actual outputs, and this is a target output employee has factory workers has done. So progress mean progress we have calculate the net quantity of employees completed rather than actual output. In now Nama Peris has completed within previous 6 months 601 units, and his in his target output is 630. He has fulfilled his target less than 29 units. That's mean his progress rate is minus 4.6. Okay, net quantity mean how many units he has done within previous 6 months, rather than total targets. Okay, and I have ranked that yeah, those employees according to progress rate, according to these progress rate. I have ranked those employees. Okay, this is the rank. First is Chaminda Silva. Okay, and I have calculate performance category, bonus and promotion. Okay, this also calculate using some criteria. Okay, progress calculate using this again. That's mean progress I have calculate using uh, according to this. That's mean as a performance category I have calculate using performance rates, and bonus calculate using progress rate, and promotion category has calculate using this progress rates. Okay, in summary, performance category A 20 employees, B 32, C 20, and this also same for that. Okay, right. In this table represent uh, supervisor's performance of previous 6 months. This has calculated using sum of supervisor's performance. This is the performance chart. This has prepared using before I show you database. Okay, this also here drop down list to randomly select an employee to get understand about his previous 6 month performance. This chart represent actual and target performance of previous 6 months. Okay. If randomly select Ramesh Jayawardena, that chart according to change that. Okay. And if we randomly select Pavitra Bandara, change according to that. Okay. Right. This also same for that. This here represents supervisor's performance within previous 6 months. Okay. If randomly select Tirina Kumara, change according to that. Kasun Samarasinghe according to that. Okay. Right. Here, these charts and tables can be used to data analysis, make predictions and decisions making. Highly, these tables can be used to especially make decisions about workforce performance. Okay, this also here drop down list about factory workers. If I randomly select Gayani Vijayaratne, his performance category and promotion explain. Performance category they are developing, and that's been basic, and promotion is not eligible yet. Okay, focus on development for future consideration. This also change according to name. Superior is supervisor is Purnima Bandar, progress rate is 7.83, rank 17, performance category C, bonus is 2.0, and promotion rate is R. Okay, and if I randomly select Chapura Kumara, change according to the performance category unsatisfactory, promotion is not eligible. Okay, the another details also here. If we randomly select Ruwani Ratnayaka, this also here. And finally, randomly select Chapura Kumardana, also same before data. And if we randomly select Tharidu Gamage, performance category is unsatisfactory and promotion is not eligible. This represent performance and promotion rates of rate distribution within employees. A final worksheet of our project. This represent HRP functions, how to work. I will show you how to work. In this table, we have to enter just employee ID and month of resignation or retirement of that employee has intended to, and descriptions of that employee. Okay, if we randomly select an employee, let's say 9496 119496, his name Roshan Vijay Singh, job title is factory worker, department, and supervisors. Let's say he is intended to retire in January. If we enter January, automatically add existing January list addition after that entry. Okay, after before was 1, after this entry that become 2. Okay, and he intended to retire. If we enter retirement, automatically add become 4. Okay, this is the HRP functions of the we have prepared for this project. In here we discuss dashboards. I will discuss how to work that, salary sheet, pay managements, attendance sheet and time attendance, performance tables. Okay, and performance evaluation chart, and this also explanation also here this. Okay, right, and finally I discuss HRP function how to.
Now I will be explaining about why this project matter for middle skill business. So first one, effective and efficient performance management, and the second, effective pay management, and the third, strong talent acquisition and retention. Number 4, strategic data-driven decision making, and the last one, efficient training and development.
We explained about our current trends, HR analytics, HR related current business problems, how to solve this using our project. Thank you for your attention.